$8 million for making mice transgender. This is real.
A transgenic mouse is like Spider-Man after being bit by a radioactive spider. Still human, but now carrying spider DNA, giving him new abilities.
Go web!
Similarly, transgenic mice have genes from other organisms inserted into their DNA, allowing scientists to study diseases in new ways. For example, scientists create mice having human genes linked to Alzheimer's, helping us understand and find treatments for the disease. These genetically modified mice have been in use since the 70s and are extremely common in medical research, helping scientists study diseases, genetics, and drug effectiveness. While at first it seemed like Trump was just confusing these two words, the White House has since issued an official statement that says, "The fake news losers at CNN immediately tried to fact check it, but President Trump was right." Apparently our government is now calling names like a middle school playground. It goes on to list 6 different rodent studies with a total budget a little over $8 million. The studies involved mice treated with an array of techniques to impact their sex hormone levels, including the use of transgenic mice, such as this study, which modified female mice to have a specific type of androgen receptor, to let scientists study the mechanism behind how different hormones like testosterone impact reproductive function. Many of these studies were trying to better understand the health and disease risks faced by transgender humans, but it's all part of our broader quest to better understand the human endocrine system, which is important for all of us. However, if you give a female mouse testosterone, it masculinizes it. It does not make it transgender. That term is about gender identity, which is a concept unique to humans. Even if a mouse displayed behaviors or biological characteristics typical of the opposite sex, it would still not be transgender. The goal of these studies was not to make mice transgender, which would first require them to have a human-like awareness and ability to experience gender identity, which I don't think any of us want, because then they might
try to take over the world.